One of the common mistakes that traders make is entering trades without knowing how much you could lose or how much you could potentially make. And in this video I want to show you a quick and easy way to measure risk reward directly in TradingView. Because when you are trading, it is highly recommended that you know where your stop loss goes and where your take profit goes, and whether the trade offers a reasonable risk to reward ratio. However, TradingView has a tool that makes this process very easy. All you have to do is go to the left-hand column, and here you can click and drag, and then you have two positions, a short position and a long position. So let's say we want to buy, we just click on it and click it on the chart. And as you can see, this has already provided us with three options. Here we have the stop loss level, here's the entry, and here's the take profit. So now all we do is we move it to where we want to enter the trade. So in this particular case, this sort of looks like a flagpole, and then this looks like a flag. I mean, I could even add a trend line here, and let's assume this develops into a flag, which means that the price would have to break above it. Then we could put our risk reward ratio here, and we could set where we want the stop loss to be, and this provides us with the price of the stop loss, the price of the entry point, and then the take profit. Now the risk reward is shown over here, risk reward ratio. So currently we are on 1-to-1, which means that for every dollar that you risk, you have a chance to earn $1. 1-to-1 risk reward ratio is very low. Let's increase this to a 2-to-1 ratio. So this is what it would look like. So the price would have to go over here, and then we have the risk reward ratio of 2-to-1, which means that for every dollar you risk, you have a chance to earn $2. And here we can go and move it up further, and then it becomes 3-to-1. I highly recommend you use this tool because it makes your calculations of price levels so much easier. And when you start trading, it is common to focus only on the win rate, but the risk reward is equally as important, because let's assume you have a 50% win rate. If you have a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio, you can be profitable on that. And the reality of trading is that even lower win rates can sometimes work if the winners are much larger. For example, if you are using a risk reward ratio of 3-to-1, then your win rate can be much lower than 50% and you will still be profitable. For this reason, I highly recommend that for every trade, you know exactly how much you are risking and how much you can make. Never enter a trade without knowing these numbers. That's all for this tutorial. I've just showed you the quick and easy way to measure risk reward in TradingView. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more TradingView and trading tutorials. Thanks for watching.